and welcome to Tech Venture. Today, we have the Samsung Galaxy Z Fold 3 5G. Now, I did only do the second one. I did not do the first one, unfortunately, but that's okay. And I don't know if you have noticed yet, we're in a new spot, but you can't really miss it. So, we're gonna continue. First things first, need to open it up. Got my trusty knife here. There's a tab right here. Maybe. There's a tab right here. There we go. And then there's a tab right here. Wow, these tabs are stronger than I expected. Don't need that knife anymore. And then you just lift up. Now, I don't know if you've noticed, but this box is actually pretty thin. You know what that means, right? There's the phone. And I'm going to guess as soon as I lift this, there's going to be a cube in here. Yep, just as I suspected. No cube, but moment of truth, is there a cable? They're going to copy Apple? Oh, would you look at that? Is that a cable or am I just dreaming? No, that's a cable. All right. It's funny too because I remember they posted something about making fun of them saying if you want a charger with your phone, you can buy a Samsung. Oh, it's also giving me a Galaxy Z Premier sticker. I don't know if you guys want to scan that. There you go. But yeah. All right, we're going to get rid of the paperwork because whoever reads the paperwork. I know you're supposed to, but yeah, we're not. Well, actually, is this USB-C? Of course it's USB-C, but I have so many of those, I don't need this one. Okay, we're not here for this. We're here for this. So we're going to put this away now. Get that out of the way. And get this plastic off. I'm going to let you listen to it. Wow, I already love the camera a lot better. The camera bump, I mean, sorry, not the camera. I haven't tested it yet. But yeah, so you're going to lift this. Then you turn it. Well, that one wasn't as satisfying. Turn it again. Oh, it's stuck on the sides there. I'm guessing you just gotta rip it, but at the same time, I don't want to because I hate ripping things. It's not, oh, I think there's a, no, maybe you do, oh, there we go. There we go. Get that over. There it is. Let's see if it's got some juice. Now, as you can see there, that's the camera that's under the display. You can see it right now because obviously the display isn't on. And then when you open it as well, that part turns off. But I'm going to go ahead and power it on here. There it is. Turn it to you, see what it shows. It just says Samsung Galaxy and then Android down there. Haven't folded it yet. This is going to be exciting. I know I've folded one before. But yeah, I will go ahead and set it up. All right, got it all set up. So, I don't know if you can tell on camera, but in person, the screen is already much better than the Samsung Galaxy Fold 2. As well as, I know they don't say they did, but I don't know why. Maybe it's just because I haven't folded it yet, but this doesn't look as bad either. The fold right here, you can still see it, of course, but it doesn't look as bad. Now, I'm going to fold it here for the first time. I haven't folded it yet, even while setting it up. This is nerve-wracking. It does feel heavier to fold and open. Oh, to open not as much, but to fold kind of felt a little heavy. Yeah, it kind of definitely feels a little bit heavier than the 2 to fold, but I will say it does feel skinnier in the hand like they said they did. And they made it, I think, a little bit more rounder here as well, which makes it feel better in the hand. The fingerprint sensor definitely did get smaller, as well as the camera bump. That's definitely got smaller as well, which I like. And the speakers are still the same. Mics, I think they added actually more mics. Now there's 3 on this side and 1 on that side. But I think it was only 1 on each side with the 2. But yeah, that is pretty much it for the unboxing. As you can also see, they kind of hide it a little bit with the background there. But as soon as you get like a, let's go to, yeah. See as you get yeah. Once you get to the white screen, it's all like, yeah. But that is pretty much it for the unboxing. Thank you guys for watching. You have a great day or night whenever you're watching this.